afternoon. It's a beautiful summer's day here on the Edward River. This afternoon, it's about 1 o'clock. Got 2 hours to fish. Got to be back to the shop to help close up. I brought bread and worms, and honestly, in the 2 hours, just hoping to catch anything. So we'll see how it goes. This guy hit it pretty good. Not very big. Man, he hit it hard though. It's decent size. Very feisty guy. He hit that hard. That was on worms. He's probably only about just over 30 centimeters, maybe 35 at the most, but yeah, a good start. That's one. Well, I must admit, from that strike and the way the rod bent, I thought for sure that that was either a cod or a yellow belly. Wouldn't have guessed that to be a carp. That was, you know, not real big anyway. But that's one on the board, which is always better than none. So, but we'll keep going. See if we can catch something else. Oh, something on the worms again. Coming over this way. The head shaking going on, that's for sure. Oh, it's a nice silver perch. I get stuck by his fins. Whoops, and I dropped him. And away he goes. Jumping right in the water. He was about 30 centimeters. I ripped my rod to check my bait, because I hadn't had a bite in a couple minutes. And I don't know how he managed to get on there. But yeah, it's definitely the smallest fish I've ever caught. But yeah, and I don't think he's going to make it. That's different. So it might seem petty, but I'm counting that little guy as a fish caught. So that's 3 on the day. I have no idea what he was. But so a silver perch, a carp, and a little guppy. So yeah, so anybody that's in the 600 subscriber giveaway, that's actually going to count. So that's 3 for the day. So still got another hour. Hopefully we can catch something else. Come on, take it. Tap, tap, taps. It's a little silver perch. Well, the 2 hours went by very quickly, and I gotta go. 3 fish in total, got plenty of little bites. Silver perch was just nibbling the bait off the hook like it was no tomorrow. I went through almost a whole tub of worms, and yeah. But 3 fish, 1 carp, 1 silver perch, and a personal best, or worst, that little guy. And he couldn't have been more than about 2 centimeters. And unfortunately, I took him off the hook and put him back in, and he didn't make it. But yeah. Something will find them and make a meal out of them. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And until next time, keep fishing.